Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the Stitchery, and today is a yarn review. So, I recently went to Joann's. In fact, I was in the same outfit in that video if you want to go watch it up there. And I found some really fun yarns called Juicy Couture, which is a perfume. Their yarn was really fun, and there's a sparkly variety and a non-sparkly variety. And I thought you guys might want a review on what I think of this yarn. So I noticed it because it was very similar to a Hobby Lobby yarn I like. And that is called the Yarn Bee Velvety Smooth Sparkle. So we are going to compare these yarns. This is the Juicy Couture Luxe Velour Sparkle. So first, let's just talk each other's stats. So red is Hobby Lobby, and pink is Joann's. So the Juicy Couture is 98% polyester and 2% metallic because of the sparkle. And it is 107 yards. It's considered a 5 weight, which they call on here a chunky. Okay. It is recommended hook size is 6.5, so a K hook, and a knitting needle size is also a 6.5. Machine wash cold, dry flat, do not bleach, do not iron, do not dry clean. And yeah, and this color is called Soft Glow. The Hobby Lobby one, let's see, it is 161 yards. Okay, so it wins for yardage. And it is 94% polyester and 6% metallic polyester, whereas this one just says metallic. Interesting. This one is considered a weight number 4. Okay. And you can wash it in cold water, but do not bleach, do not iron, and do not dry clean. Okay. This says you can use a 5.5 knitting needle, but the hook size is the same. It wants you to use a 6.5, just like this one. So I wonder why it's considered a 4. So let's look at them. I mean, that looks pretty much like the same yarn to me. This might have a bit more fluff in it. Maybe that's why it's a 5, but So the Hobby Lobby one definitely has more yardage, but this one is definitely softer. So you can definitely feel how soft this is. I mean, this is soft, but this one's definitely softer. Okay. So recently on Instagram, I saw a blanket that I actually went to Home Goods to find, and I couldn't find it. I saw that it had these candy corn designs all over it, and it was pink candy corn. Yes, people, Pinkoween is real. It is not called Barbieween, okay? I know people want to do that this year and whatever, but Pinkoween was around for several years. And it's a real thing. You can Google it. So that's what we're going to do in the Stitchery, by the way, this October, is we are going Pinkoween. So I'm already starting to work on it. You see my pink pumpkin? Right there. Whoop. My little pink pumpkin. So I have to make decorations for the Stitchery, and I have to test out this yarn. 2 birds, 1 stone. We are going to make pink candy corn. Pink sparkly velour candy corn, and see how this yarn works up for amigurumi. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm back. Yes, I'm in a different outfit. It's a different day. But I did actually make the project on the same day. I just didn't film it till now, so I'm in a different outfit. Okay, so the yarn. First of all, I made a little candy corn. Isn't it cute? This is my pattern. I just kind of made it up. But if you want a pattern for it, yeah, I can work on that. I can make a tutorial for this. It's really easy. So I made it pink for Pinkoween. See the pumpkin? I'm working on Pinkoween. It's slowly happening. And yeah. So, okay, the yarn. First of all, I struggle a little bit with fuzzy yarn, even though I love to use it. I do struggle using it because, if you didn't know, I'm actually losing sight in one of my eyes. Every time I say that, it just makes me want to laugh because it's just crazy. Anyway, I'm losing sight in one of my eyes, and there's nothing any doctor can do about it. But I could see my stitches. It was crazy. I could see my stitches. And this stuff is strong. Normally, when I work with a kind of fuzzy chenille type yarn, if you pull on it too much, it will break. This one, it did not break. And it didn't poof all over me. I mean, it did not... Okay, yes, I have poof, but that's not from this. This is from something else. This yarn did not get on me. Like when I cut the end, it didn't fray off. Now, that's not to say that it won't, but in my experience, it really didn't. But it is a strong yarn. So, yeah, the price tag isn't so great, but quality-wise, this is good. And I would say it's good for amigurumi. I definitely plan on making more of these. And, I really like it. So I would say for amigurumi, this is a definite yes. I mean, look how cute mine came out. That's really cute. I did not have any trouble. I used a 4.5 millimeter hook to make this, and the yarn recommended a 6.5. So I didn't have any trouble with this at all. And I do struggle using this one sometimes, the Just Chenille from the Dollar Tree. Sometimes I struggle with this one because it feels really thin, but this one feels bouncy and lush, and and I really want to make a wearable out of this. How cute a beret would this be? Oh my gosh. What do you think? So this one is the sparkle one. Now I haven't tested the other one yet. I think I'm going to make a separate video because I've got a couple other yarns I want to compare to it. So this one, you know, I'm tugging quite hard. If I did that with a chenille yarn, which I don't want to ruin any of my chenille yarns, but it would break. How do I know this? From experience. And this is really soft. So the yarn I was comparing it to, which I think I put away. So this is the yarn I was comparing it to. This is the Sparkle from Yarn Bee. And it seems like it's going to break on me though. I mean, if I pulled hard enough, it does seem like it's going to break. This seems thicker. Like, not just because of the fuzz. Like, it actually seems like a thicker cording or something is in there. So yeah, I know a lot of people have probably reviewed this yarn already, but I don't know how many of them will have reviewed it for amigurumi specifically. So I thought I'd jump on and try and review it for you guys. Plus, I don't know if you've ever heard of this one, but I like this one. It's really nice. Granted, it does have a little bit of a weird texture. Like, sometimes your hands can get kind of... See the little tinsel? It kind of sticks out just a bit. And occasionally it can feel kind of weird when it's running through your hands. But the product is so gorgeous. Like, you're gonna see this for Christmas. Guarantee it. So gorgeous. So, yeah. But this one is $4.49 for 161 yards. That's the Yarn Bee. The Juicy Couture it was 7 something. I'll put it on the screen because I forget at this point. But this is 107 yards for whatever that price is. 7 something. I did have a coupon, so I will say that. I really like it, you guys. I do. I wish I'd gotten more. I didn't know that it was going to be this good. This is one of my new favorite sparkle yarns. And if you don't know, I take my sparkle yarn very seriously. You see how much is on that shelf? You see how much is down here? I'm very exclusive with my sparkle yarns. It has to be perfect. There are some exceptions, like the color's just too pretty not to use. So, value-wise, probably this one. Quality-wise, maybe this one? This one comes in some fun colors. I think this one comes in 5 colors. I have almost all of them on my shelf. I will find out how many colors this comes in. Right now, this comes in several different colors. There was a red, a blue. This color, somebody help me decide what this color is. Is it purple? Is it brown? I don't know. It's just called Plunk. I don't know what color that is. Some lighting it looks purple, some lighting it looks brown. Yeah, but this is really soft, you guys. Oh my gosh. It's so nice to be around yarn that's not contaminated. Yeah, I'm still in the basement when I'm filming this. I just have to laugh about it now because it's just so crazy. If you don't know what I'm talking about, the video will be linked down below. It'll explain everything. Basically, I sprayed bug spray in my room. Apparently I'm allergic to it. Now the entire upstairs is contaminated and I basically can't breathe if I go up there. So, I'm in the basement. Anyway, you don't care. This is a review video. So, it does come in a lot of fun, unusual colors. There is a sparkly and non-sparkly variety of this. I don't know if this one has a non-sparkly variety, but I can find out. So I say Spoonie Approved. This is Spoonie Approved yarn. Okay, the price tag's a little hefty for the yardage, but quality-wise, it's absolutely worth it. So I'm gonna say yes. I'm really hoping this isn't limited edition. I hope they make more colors. So you guys should go buy some, and that would tell the yarn company we like it. I believe this is a Joann's yarn. Like, I don't think you can get it anywhere else. I haven't seen it anywhere else. So, yeah. I say this is a yes. And remember, it comes in hot pink too. Spoonie Approved. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the Yarn Zebra family. Don't forget to join our Facebook group. We have fun over there. And remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye!